What are you making?
Potato and corn chowder. Just breaking it up. So we used probably a couple of small shallots and diced them. Try and cut them all the same size if possible. We got the Instapot heating up. Smells really good. Let's see, let's cut it in half. We're going to cook the bacon. Once the bacon's done, we'll take the bacon out, brown the sausage a little brown. Take it out, and then we'll cook our alums and put our seasonings in. You know, it really did. It did a pretty good job. So now we're just gonna brown off this chicken sausage a little bit. Not much. We'll just get a little color on it. So we'll take this out. This is the shallots and leeks. Now we're just going to saute these off. A little salt in there. A little cracked pepper. Let that saute for a minute. Few pats of butter, teaspoon of thyme, cayenne pepper, and some few dashes in there of that. We want this to have a little kick in the background. You can put that into your taste. Now we're going to put in a few dashes of Tabasco. I like the vinegar. Tabasco. Just a few dashes. Alright, now we're going to put in about 32 ounces of unsalted vegetable stock. Now we're going to clean the fond off the bottom. Or scrape the bottom of the pot. That's why you need to use a wooden spoon in these things, because they have these Instapot are coated. Put all that in there and then see what it needs. Top it off. I think the thyme is good. I think the cayenne pepper's good. I think all of it is fine. So you just want to salt and pepper it to taste. Alright, now we're going to add our sausage and bacon back in. We're actually going to add it all back in. We're going to add our potatoes. Oh, there it is right there. That'd be good right there on its own. Put our corn in. friend of mine I worked with at the hospital, he don't like soups and stews. He doesn't like pozole or menudo or none of that stuff. Doesn't care for it. It's a shame, really. Missing out on a whole culinary experience. Alright, now we need to add some more stock in here, so I'm just going to add some chicken broth. Add some more butter in there too. Make it heart healthy. Look at all that beautiful corn. Alright, ready? Looks pretty good, huh? Potatoes held together. Okay, now let's put in our slurry. This is just to kind of thicken it up and really make it into a chowder.